What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we really need to clean the engine bay on the Mercedes. It's not that dirty or anything, but I was gonna do it like 2 months ago and just kind of forgot to. So yeah, let's get to it. Got the goods. All right, guys, so for this engine bay cleaning, I'm just going to use Purple Power. It's just a high strength degreaser. It seems like a lot of shops and people use it because it's really cheap. I think I got like almost a full gallon at Walmart for like $5. The second thing I'm gonna use, like our finisher, is Eagle One. It's an interior detailer. It's a spray on shine. You're supposed to just spray it on, leave it, kind of gives it like that wet finish look. Got the Purple Power. This is what it looks like if any of you want to use it. And then we got the Eagle One. This is their old model. And I just ran to the store and got a new bottle. This is their new design, so that's what they should look like now. Got a couple of brushes to agitate the dirt, microfibers, 100 of them. Are you ready, crew? Let's get it. Okay, that did nothing. Oh my gosh. Like I was saying, that did absolutely nothing. Let's start with the big brush. Get the Purple Power so we can start over here in the corner. Underneath the engine bay here is not bad. With this little agitating and wiping, it's gonna look brand new underneath here. So I have a microfiber on standby. Dude, that looks so much better already. It is insane. I was gonna get the Q-tips and the Schwabs out and stuff, but the engine bay is like not bad at all, so I don't think that's necessary. You should have seen back when I first bought the 2-valve, the engine bay looked like it was in like a sandstorm or something. Like, I seriously don't know what the hell that dude was doing. And I spent like maybe 5 or 6 hours just Q-tipping the shit out of it, and it looked absolutely immaculate when I was done with it. But wasn't the most fun thing, but at the same time I actually really enjoy cleaning engine bays because it's something that most people don't normally do. Make sure the laps is still on here. Yes sir. Since I just did that side, like, look at the difference. That's absolutely crazy. Just all the dust and the dirt getting in here. Probably gonna have to go through a couple 2-tree microfibers for sure. But yeah, I've been doing this method, this engine bay method, for probably the past 2 years now, and it seems to be the easiest and the most effective method that I've found. So I texted my tint guy and he said that next Friday he has an opening for me to come in and get tint on this if I want. I'm just not too sure where I'm sitting with the SN and the Merc. I could say fuck it and just go buy an SN, or I can just put a couple 2-tree things into this, which is what I think I'll end up doing, just because I'd rather get this done before I start another project for the most fun part. Oh yeah. And honestly, with overspray, it's not gonna matter because that interior detailer is gonna clean up pretty much absolutely everything when it comes to overspray. Alright guys, so just finished up here cleaning the engine bay. Again, just with the Purple Power and the Eagle One degreaser and then the finisher. And I know the car is still relatively new and the engine bay underneath looked pretty good when I started. I still cannot believe the results. I mean, I only worked at it for probably 30-45 minutes and it seriously looks like it's brand new. If you want to do this at home, Purple Power, Eagle One, some brushes is going to help, and then make sure you have a lot of microfibers because they'll get dirty super quick. You'd honestly be surprised with the amount of dirt, debris, and everything that's trapped in the engine bays. Like, you can see all the towels on the ground are just filthy, and I went through like 6 of them at least. And mine wasn't that bad, but I'm still blown away at the results of this. I mean, it looks phenomenal.